Hey guys, the Game Maker 45 here. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make Five Nights at Freddy's in Scratch. So, uh, if you haven't already, go watch the first part of this tutorial. And so right now, what we're just going to be doing is we're going to be fixing stuff up. The one thing we should have done, we should have put that in last episode. I'm going to rerun it. Oh, we forgot to do this. So, let's go into your backdrops. Check out when I receive menu. And just put in when I receive menu, switch backdrop to menu screen or whatever your menu screen is. Now you should have this. Now the continue button is not showing up. Gotta set its new position. Let's just make it go to 0, 0. Oh. So I'll make it go to 0, 0. And then move all this code and drag it to where you want to go. There. The X I wouldn't change. You can if you want. But I usually just like to change the Y value. Then it all lines up. Now you have continue. This pops up. But we haven't made it so that it's hide. So let's do when I receive night screen. Actually we can hide. Then stop other scripts in the sprite. Now what you want to do is you just want to drag this into that and that. So then, look. Boom. Green monster escape jail. Boo. Night 1. Also, don't forget to drag it into here. So then, yeah, when night screen appears, then now, what I'm going to do is want to go into the office. Wait, actually, you know what? The first thing you should probably do, go pick out some menu music for yours. I'm just going to import one of my menu music from my other games. So yeah, just go and find some menu music. If you download it from somewhere, make sure to credit them. If you made it yourself, no need to credit at all. Yeah, so I'm just import my menu music now. Okay, so I've gone in and imported my menu thing from Five Nights at Jack's 3, which can go play on my account. So now, basically in this, just drag out a forever loop and place on that. Yeah. Also, don't forget to drag this. No. Okay, so we have not put a stop with description sprite. We should probably do that here. Yeah. So now create a new sprite, name it fade, and just literally make it black. So convert to bitmap, make it black, center it. Do when I see menu, hide, and stop other scripts in the sprite. And then when I see fade, which we haven't coded yet, we want to show. Set ghost effect to 100, and then repeat 50. So don't forget to make it go to here. Change ghost effect by -2. Wait, no. Yeah, so then it will slowly come onto screen, and then broadcast newspaper. So now what I'm just gonna do is I'm gonna copy this and change up some. You can try to figure out what you think what I'm gonna do. Because right now, I'm just gonna fix up some. Okay, so basically this is it. This is for the fade. I don't know why we have this here. Delete that. Now this. Delete that. Get rid of that. And then in this, broadcast fade inside newspaper. Fade. So this should broadcast newspaper. Yeah, I also did change this to 1. Okay, that's it. So now we're just gonna set up the office. Draw your office. Really doesn't matter how you draw it. Just draw it. I'm gonna draw mine. Then yeah. Okay, once you have your office done, what you want to do is in the code sprite, do when I was in menu, hide, stop the scripts in the sprite, and then do when I receive, oh, we haven't set that up yet, but this, we're gonna wait like 2 seconds, and then we're gonna broadcast game start. So game start, broadcast called game start. I go back into your office sprite and do when I receive game start, we want to show, and then drag out a forever loop. Motion, go to set like Y, which when I edited it, I made it so that it this Y position. So I'm just gonna keep the Y position. You can change it if you want, depending on how your office is made. I may actually change this to like 20. Yeah. Then for the X, bring out a multiply operator. Put on this side negative 0.5. On the other side, put mouse X. So now we have a nice and scrolling off. Make sure that like it fits the size. So scale it out a bit, and yeah. Now add like a clock or something. I'm just gonna add like a base clock. That. Let's give it an outline. 8. And then feel like a digital clock. Like, I don't know. I'm gonna make one full thing. So, yeah. I'm gonna like finish making the sprites, and yeah, I'll come back. Okay, once you have all 5 of them, just put a switch costume 2, do join, and then AM, and then for now, we're just gonna leave this as like 12. We'll come back to this later. Now, what you wanna do is, oh, that doesn't, oh. Don't forget to make sure that this, for some reason, not fitting me. I swear. Whatever. But for now, I'll fix that later, but for now, create a new sprite, call it left door, and then copy in the office, add in your door where you want it to be, and then delete the office, and then add a little dot in the corner down here. I'll be back when I make that costume. Once you have this costume done, name it open. You know what you want to do? Duplicate the sprite and then start making a closing animation. And name them closing 1, closing 2, and yeah. The best way I like to make the door is I like to duplicate this and then make it like a gray color. Yeah, that, and then just scale it up. I mean, like scale it down. That, and then just start slowly working on the animation. Okay, so once you've made all your closing animations, once you get to the part where the entire door is closed, we name that to closed. Now, what we're gonna do is we can go into here, just drag the code. This switch costume, we do not need those, so we can just take that out. Now, duplicate this, remove the show, create a new variable called left door state for all sprites. All these variables are gonna be for all sprites. Set that to 1, and then we need 1. Create 1 if also, and then if left door state is equal to 1, then what we want to do is we want to set we want to switch costume to open. If left door state is equal to 2, then we want to switch it to closed. Now here's where it gets a bit tricky. I'm actually out of time, so we're gonna finish all this in the next video. I hope you guys liked it, and I will see you guys in the next one. And bye.